Ndiamamu Ndewo. Today we're going to learn the various ways to say when you are not fine in Igbo. Are you ready? Let's go. So somebody can ask you, Kekwano, how are you? And you say, Aderamumma. It means I'm not fine. Or you can even say, Obi Aderamumma. It means like my heart is not happy. Or you can say, Obi Mbarora. It's more like saying my mood is sour. You can also say Anom Nangute. It means I am sad. Now say it again. I can say Aderamumma. I can say Obi Aderamumma. I can say Obi Mbarora. Or I can say Anom Nangute. They all mean I am sad, I'm not happy, or I'm not fine. Okay? And you can use them interchangeably depending on the scenario and the context in which the question is asked. I am Princess Enyinna-Okoro. In case in Igbo dimma, ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka na ndị ka na-ebido asụsụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ya ka ọ dị.